Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the ID.3 Life Pro Performance in lovely Moonstone grey in combination with the black roof as well. It features a 204 PS battery and this will give you a range of up to 265 miles. You'll have peace of mind motoring with the approved used benefits, which includes 2 years warranty and much more. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, as well as adaptive cruise control, you've also got full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. On the side of the car, got your 18-inch wheel trims, alongside power folding and heated wing mirrors as well. Moving to the rear, you can see you've got a generous amount of boot space available, with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple suitcases or any further luggage. Moving inside, these lovely pattern cloth seats with fixed points on the outer seats. Your rear passengers have got a couple of USB ports in the back so they can charge their devices. At the front of the vehicle, you benefit from a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. There's a centre armrest and plenty of storage running down the centre there. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got a satellite navigation on board with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. It'll also show you points of interest as well, including charging stations. Alongside this, you'll also benefit from the brilliant App Connect system, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. Got the ambient lighting pack available as well, so there's different colours to choose from, and these preset light themes to transform the interior at night. To help with parking, you've got front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. You've also got the latest safety systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including city emergency braking and much more. Got your air conditioning as well as a heated steering wheel and heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. And multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. Running down the centre of the cabin, you've got your wireless phone charging and plenty of storage, including a couple more USB ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2 year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.